Now, potassium sparing diuretic, the most important aldosterone antagonist, something which will go and block the receptor for aldosterone, is spironolactone. There's some other names like triamterene and amiloride. So these block the sodium channel in collecting duct, and it's basically like a sodium channel blocker in the kidney. You can say that the last two potassium sparing diuretics are sodium channel blockers and aldosterone antagonist. So this is the name to remember. Sodium channel blockers, amiloride, triamterene. Now these work on the principal cells in the late distal tubule and collecting ducts, which have sodium channels in luminal membrane. So DCT plus CD. Higher permeability of luminal membrane for sodium depolarizes the luminal membrane. So higher permeability of the luminal membrane for the sodium depolarizes the membrane, and this leads to lumen negative potential and helps in the secretion of potassium into the lumen via potassium channel. So the inner there's a voltage change, and finally potassium losses helped. So leads to lumen negative potential and secretion of potassium into lumen via the potassium channel. So this is how it works. So this is the important part. They are going to ask you the therapeutic effect. So once it blocks the sodium channel, what will happen? Before that, let's see, it can be used in combination with loop anthiazide diuretics, and it enhances natriuresis caused by other diuretics. So wherever there's too much of sodium loss, this is being stopped by the sodium channel blocker, and it prevents hypokalemia